welcome to another episode of Let's Solve Mathematics. We're still looking at differentiation, and this time we'll be looking at chain rule. To find the derivative of an expression such as 2x minus 7 raised to the power 5, it might appear quite natural to say if y is equal to 2x minus 7 raised to the power 5. Now, to solve this problem, what we have in the bracket here can be represented as t. So say t is equal to 2x minus 7. If this is true, we can then say that y is equal to this t which has represented this, and then we'll have t raised to the power 5. To differentiate this, we'll take the y, the x of this. It will now be then this becomes 5t. 5 minus 1 is 4. So having this, then the t, the x of this equation will now become 2. Since x is raised to the power 1 minus 1 will become 0, and then this is 0. This have no x, so the t here will become this x raised to the power 0 is 1, so our result here is 2. Then going back to our equation, we'll now have t, which is 5t raised to the power 4 will now be equal to 5 open bracket. We'll have 2x minus 7x raised to the power, since this t is this bracket, and then we have this 4. Then the chain rule now says, the y, the x is equal to the y over the t times the t over the x. Now this means that this 2x minus 7 raised to the power 4 will now be multiplied by 2. At the end of the day, this 2 multiply 5 will now have 2 times 5 will give us 10. So we'll now have 10 open bracket 2x minus 7 raised to the power 4 as our result. Now let's look at another question. They say use the chain rule to differentiate 3x plus 8 raised to the power 6 with respect to x. In the same way, we'll use t to represent everything in the bracket. So t will be equal to 3x plus 8. Now, and then this becomes, if t will now become t raised to the power 6, and this 6, if 6 comes here, this becomes 5. Now having this, the y, the x of this will now become 3. This becomes 3, while the t, the x of this becomes of t, this, and then this is this. So we have this one is 3. Now, so we have the chain rule as the y, the x equal to the y, the t times the t, the y. So we'll now have 6t, which becomes 3x plus 8 raised to power 5 times 3. So this becomes 3 times 6, 18. So we have 18x, 3x plus 8 raised to power 5 as our result for number 2. That's a simple way to handle to differentiate a simple equation using the chain rule. Thank you for being there. See you in the next episode.